Hi, future billionaires. This is Crypto Maniac. We are here to share some knowledge about cryptocurrency and its future. The future of world would be digital money. For example, centuries ago we had barter system, then came currency, and then we had bank and financial institutions. Now we are in the world of apps to transact money like Google Pay, Phone Pay, and internet banking, etc. A future would be crypto, where we would transact using cryptocurrency to buy or to exchange it for fiat currency. Fiat money, in a broad sense, all kinds of money that are made legal tender by a government decree, in layman terms, which is 100, 500, 2000 rupees notes or coins. So we as a team would like to share our knowledge about cryptocurrency and future. So please note that it is not a financial advice, it is just information related videos. So what is crypto? So crypto, the word crypto means concealed or secret, and the currency, the fact or qualifier of being generally accepted or in use. So cryptocurrency in whole is a type of digital currency that generally only exists electronically. So there is no physical coin or bill unless you use a service that allows you to cash in cryptocurrency for a service or to convert your cryptocurrency into a fiat cash. So let's talk about terms that are used in cryptocurrency which we should have a knowledge of. Decentralized. In blockchain, decentralization refers to the transfer of control and decision making from a centralized entity, which could be an individual, organization, or group, to a distributed network. So what is blockchain? So blockchain is a specific type of database, differs from a typical database in the way it stores information. Blockchains store data in blocks that are then chained together. As new data comes in, it is entered into a fresh block. Once the block is filled with data, it is chained onto the previous block, which makes the data chain together in a chronological order. The different types of information can be stored on the blockchain, but the most common use so far has been as a ledger for transactions. So in Bitcoin's case, blockchain is used in a decentralized way so that no single person or group has control. Rather, all users collectively retain control. The first crypto which came into existence is Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is generally referred as king of cryptocurrency. So many well-known investors like Elon Musk, and I'm sure most of you all know he is the founder of Tesla and SpaceX. And as per the current stats, he is now the world's richest person. And then comes Mark Cuban, who is American billionaire, entrepreneur, television personality, media proprietor, whose net worth is $4.3 billion as per the Forbes. So both of these men have invested in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user without the interference of a bank or financial institution. So in 2011, the price started at 30 cents per Bitcoin, growing to $5.27 for the year, and then the price rose to $31.50 on 8th of June. So within a month, the price fell to $11, and the next month it fell to $7.80, and then in another month, $4.77. So in 2014, prices started at $770, and then it fell to $314 for that year. So on 30th of July 2014, the Wikimedia Foundation started accepting donations of Bitcoin. So in 2015, prices started at $314 and rose to $434 for that year. In 2016, prices rose and climbed up to $990 by 1st of January 2017. So at present, the cost of Bitcoin is $35,247.20. It started from pennies and reached to a great heights. So just a quick note, the crypto market is volatile, meaning there is a higher gains, and in same way, risk is also involved. And last but not least, patience is the main key to gain. So thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos, and please hit bell icon to stay updated on our new videos.